Welcome to Designer Ling channel. I'm Lin, a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. Imagine your house transformed by a cascade of vibrant colors. Here's a description of a Bougainvillea garden design that creates a stunning and welcoming entrance. A burst of color, focal point flowers. Bougainvillea takes center stage, with its brightly colored bracts, modified leaves, cascading down from the house walls or overflowing from strategically placed containers. Picture vibrant fuchsias, oranges, purples, or even whites, depending on your chosen varieties. Climbing varieties. Utilize Bougainvillea's climbing nature by training them on trellises or pergolas that line the front of your house. Imagine a colorful archway framing your doorway or Bougainvillea overflowing from window boxes. Creating a living wall of vibrant blooms, complementary flowers. Intersperse other flowering plants with complementary colors or textures to add visual interest. Consider low-growing annuals like marigolds or trailing succulents for pops of color or contrast against the Bougainvillea's vibrant display. Balancing beauty and functionality. Walkway design. Create a welcoming pathway leading to your front door. Stepping stones or a paved path lined with Bougainvillea containers or low-growing shrubs adds both functionality and visual appeal. Entrance enhancement. Dress up your doorway with Bougainvillea overflowing from hanging planters or climbing strategically around the door frame. Imagine a vibrant welcome for guests as they arrive. Seating area. Optional, consider incorporating a small seating area near the entrance, surrounded by Bougainvillea planters. This creates a charming spot to relax and enjoy the vibrant display. Overall ambience. Imagine stepping out your front door and being greeted by a breathtaking display of color. The Bougainvillea creates a vibrant and inviting entrance that sets the tone for your entire home. This design is perfect for those who appreciate a touch of the tropics and enjoy the low-maintenance beauty of Bougainvillea. A Bougainvillea garden in front of your house offers a multitude of benefits, transforming the space into a vibrant and welcoming spectacle. Here's a breakdown of the reasons why it's a fantastic idea. Stunning visual impact. Year-round color. Unlike many flowering plants, Bougainvillea boasts vibrant bracts, modified leaves, that bloom throughout most of the year in warm climates. This ensures a continuous display of color, adding life and personality to your front yard. A kaleidoscope of colors. Bougainvillea comes in a wide range of colors, from fiery fuchsias and oranges to deep purples and even whites. You can choose a single, bold color for a dramatic statement or create a vibrant mix for a playful and eye-catching display. Low-maintenance beauty. Bougainvillea thrives with minimal care. They are relatively drought-tolerant and don't require frequent feeding. This makes them a perfect choice for busy homeowners who still want a stunning entrance, enhancing your home's curb appeal. Increased value. A well-designed Bougainvillea garden can significantly increase the curb appeal of your property. The vibrant colors and lush foliage create a visually appealing entrance that adds value to your home. Welcoming first impression. A Bougainvillea garden sets a positive tone for your home, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere for guests and visitors. The burst of color instantly brightens the space and adds a touch of personality. Unique and eye-catching. Bougainvillea gardens are not as common as traditional flower beds. A well-designed Bougainvillea display can make your house stand out from the neighbors, creating a unique and memorable first impression. Additional advantages. Versatile design options. Bougainvillea's climbing nature allows for creative design possibilities. Train them on trellises, pergolas, or window boxes to create vertical accents or cascading displays. Attracts beneficial wildlife. The vibrant flowers of Bougainvillea can attract butterflies and hummingbirds to your garden, adding a touch of life and movement to the space. Adaptable to different climates. While thriving in warm climates, certain Bougainvillea varieties can tolerate cooler temperatures. Research varieties that suit your specific climate to ensure success. If you're looking for a low-maintenance way to add a burst of color and personality to your front yard, a Bougainvillea garden is an excellent choice. It offers a stunning visual impact, enhances your home's curb appeal, and provides a welcoming entrance for guests. Here's a roadmap to get you started on designing your vibrant bougainvillea garden in front of your house. 1. Define your style and budget. Color scheme. Decide on the color palette for your bougainvillea. Do you want a bold statement with a single, vibrant color, or a playful mix of colors? Consider the overall tone you want to set for your home's exterior. Climbing versus container. Determine if you want bougainvillea climbing directly on your house, requires planning for future maintenance, or overflowing from strategically placed containers. Climbing varieties offer a more permanent look, while containers provide more flexibility. Budget. Be realistic about the costs involved in purchasing bougainvillea plants. Trellises or pergolas, if using climbing varieties, containers, planting materials, and any additional features you desire. 2. Research and choose bougainvillea varieties. Climate. Research bougainvillea varieties that thrive in your climate zone. Some varieties tolerate cooler temperatures better than others. Sun exposure. Most bougainvillea prefer full sun for at least 6 to 8 hours daily. Consider the sunlight conditions in front of your house when choosing varieties. Growth habit. Select varieties with a growth habit that suits your design. Do you want vigorous climbers for covering walls or cascading varieties for overflowing containers? 3. Design your garden layout. Sketch a plan. Draw a basic layout of your front yard on paper. Include the placement of bougainvillea, climbing or in containers, pathways, and any additional features like seating areas. Climbing considerations. If using climbing varieties, ensure they are planted at an appropriate distance from the house walls to allow for future growth and air circulation. Plan for access points for maintenance, pruning, etc. Container placement. For container bougainvillea, choose pots that complement the style of your house and are large enough to accommodate the mature size of the plant. Consider grouping containers for a more impactful display. 4. Prepare the planting area. Soil quality. Bougainvillea prefer well-draining soil. Amend your soil if necessary to ensure proper drainage, especially if planting directly in the ground. Support structures. If using climbing varieties, install sturdy trellises or pergolas to support the weight of mature bougainvillea plants. 5. Planting and ongoing care. Planting time. The best time to plant bougainvillea typically falls in the spring or fall. Depending on your climate, watering and fertilizing. Water bougainvillea regularly, especially during hot and dry periods. Fertilize them occasionally during the growing season with a fertilizer formulated for flowering plants. Pruning. Regular pruning is essential to maintain the shape and encourage flowering. Research proper pruning techniques for bougainvillea to ensure healthy growth. Additional tips. Companion planting. Consider planting low-growing, heat-tolerant flowers or herbs around the base of bougainvillea containers for added visual interest and texture. Winter protection. If you live in a climate with occasional frost, protect container bougainvillea by moving them to a sheltered location or wrapping them with burlap during cold snaps. Start small. If you're a beginner, start with a few bougainvillea plants and expand your collection as you gain experience caring for them. Remember, this is just a starting point. There are many resources available online and in libraries to inspire you. Enjoy the design process and create a vibrant and welcoming entrance to your house with a beautiful bougainvillea garden. Comment below to share your favorite garden. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your garden. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.